going for a walk on a hot day. It's important to stay hydrated. That's why I went ahead and brought on my new water bottle. This is from Fijinhom. It's a brand on Amazon. This is the 24-ounce version. It comes in a lot of different colors. This one happens to be black. I've had ice water in here for, about 12 hours now. There's still water in there, still ice in there. It's still nice and cold. We all know it's very important to stay hydrated, especially in the heat and the hot days like this where it's nice and sunny out. You want to keep drinking, you want to have water. Don't want to have too much, but it really helps to have cold water at your disposal, ready to go, ready to drink whenever you want to. This is a steel-lined, double-walled, insulated water bottle. Pretty standard stuff. I like the fact that it actually fits in your hand. It has one-handed operation, and I'll show you what that means in a moment. This thing does keep things cold for up to 24 hours. It also keeps things warm and hot for up to 24 hours. It is dishwasher safe, and this is a 24-ounce version. It holds about 22 ounces of real liquid. And then there's also a 16-ounce version, which is just a little shorter and a little bit smaller. It does fit in a standard cup holder, a big cup holder. Some of the older cars may be a little tight, but the bigger cars now, or newer cars now have bigger cup holders. It will fit. I'm going to show you what I mean by one-handed operation. Now, I kept the stickers on this thing. I've had it for about 24 hours, and I've done one exercise with it, and then I've used it at night, and then I'm out here again. The way this works is, as you're walking with it, now I'm walking with it with one hand like this, but what you really want to do is you want to, ready? Flip it up. You flip it up. There you go, you have a handle. Now you can go ahead and put that on a little carabiner hook. You can go ahead and carry it in your hand just like this. It does flow very nicely. It's a very solid hinge. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's nice and strong. And by the way, you can even put it in the backpack because it is big enough to fit into like those mesh pockets on the back of a backpack. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my other one-hand operation. One hand to flip the top up, and then one hand, you just push it, and it opens up. It is spring loaded right there. You just push it and it opens up. Then you can close it back down if you want. It'll click back down. But I want you to see something. Great big wide mouth. Now, what I like about this, there's a straw in there. It comes with an extra straw as well. So if you lose one straw, you can put a straw in. The nice thing is, big wide mouth, not one of those little tiny things. Nice cold water. Big strong mouth. I like that. I like you can get a whole bunch of water there. You put your mouth over the whole thing. You're not going to spill any. You're not going to accidentally drop it. It's not like drinking a soda with a nice long straw. It doesn't take up any extra space. Very good. It's just a really, really nice, comfortable water bottle. There's a lot of water bottles on Amazon. You can't go wrong with this one. Nice flip top lid. Again, nice and solid. Steel, double lined. Dishwasher safe, just a really, really great water bottle. It's from Fijinhom, multiple colors. Go ahead and grab one today from Amazon. And yeah, they did send this to me. It's a good water bottle. It's perfectly serviceable. I like it a lot. I have used water in here since I got it yesterday. I washed it out, threw some ice in there, threw some water in there, and I've been drinking it ever since. Nice solid bottle. Can't go wrong with this one. It is highly recommended.